Okay, we're back again. So, again, just like I said last week, you guys will have your project assignments. You can find that here, and you're gonna locate which project you're working on. So, if you're uh, this person, you're gonna be working on this project. If you're this person, you're gonna be working on this project. If you're this person, you're gonna be working on this project. Okay, now we got that out the way. Since I'm me, I'm going to be working on the example project titled Example Project Iron Plow Grains LLC. Okay, so you guys are going to need to open a file titled Zero Commercial Banking Excel. And I noticed that some of you guys are having issues opening these files. So what I want you to do is start going to the library or go to the computer lab, because that's a processor issue. So you guys are on the wrong processors, and there's nothing that I can do about that. You would have to get that sorted on your own. So the best move is just to go to the computer lab in the business building and use one of the Windows computers. So anyway, you need to open Zero Commercial Banking Excel. It'll be titled the same no matter where it saves on your computer. It'll have the same title. So click there. And then you need to open Loan Analysis Draft. And then you need to open One Project Template. And you should have already began working out of the One Project Template. And hopefully you saved it under the same thing. Our previous homework should be saved on the same Word file that we're going to be working out of this week. So whatever you save that file for loan structure under, you should be working on the same file. Like you see, I have the same file pulled up and I'm working on the same one. Okay. So open that. And then for this one, you're going to need to open the file titled 2 Company Financial Statements. That's the number 2, the word company, the word financial, and the word statements. You should be able to find it inside of whatever folder you guys saved it under. And again, the first thing that we're going to do, oh, it's not for y'all. Oh my gosh. Ah, computer bugging. Okay, there we go. So again, I'm going to pause the video here, and I'm going to start to transfer the data over. Remember, we went over this in class. So I want you to go to the sheets or the tabs titled Balance Sheet, and I want you to go to the tabs titled Income Statement. And I want you to input the data like you already know how. And remember, we did this in the first week. I want you to input data here, and I want you to input data here. You guys will have access to the videos explaining how to input the data on the balance sheet. But you need to transfer this information from here over to here and here. And then we'll pick up from there.